lobster go in there, and later the lobster come in here. Fine. 2 options, brother. So I two play the lobster work, you know. Pan the fire and pan the next cold one, general one. I don't want those boys know nothing about my views, you know. In the car, you know. That's why you hear me just do like that, you know. And then boy just I'm going to hear when something just blow up. The blood clot.
I'm gonna buy them from man. I'll be here.
That boy there, I get trouble, Mr. Lobster Man. What do you want to Mr.
But the man something.
She's right here.
Running them out with a lobster.
Great shot, man. Lobster, man. Pose up with lobster, you know. Wicked. Well, tonight is nice lobster dinner, you hear that? Right.
Right.
Hard food, you know. Banana.
That's great.
Nice excitement. Well, we get lobster now, so we go all the way up, all the way to Rocky Point. So we get lobster, but we didn't catch any lobster. But it's not every day that catching there. So we catch something today. Come on, we're catching something today. So we are going to work on the lobster, you know. With natural coconut juice, you know. Wow, that's business, my brother. And there, man, I wait for you. When you come back, you're going to see me, you know. Yeah, man, successful day today. Real. Because we get lobster, we get fish, we get roast fish, lots of roast fish, we get from our brethren. Everything was real legit today. Legit, well legit, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, successful.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Lucky day. It's not every day people go out there catch the fisherman catch fish, you know?
Yeah.
Sometimes he just gets a half pound or a pound for himself. And that's it, him and his family. So he didn't put anything out there, you know? Fisherman don't put nothing out there, you know, out there. Away from a pot. And boats, snack, whatever, they trying to get some food that they can get. But nobody put no fish out there. On good job, put fish out there. And just take 2 fish and feed the multitude, you know. Yeah, man.
So if you have a lucky day,
you catch.
You have a catching day.
Yeah, but every day a catching day and a lucky day, brother. But today is what really our lucky day.
What's the opposite of a catching day?
What is the opposite of that?
Fuckery day?
No, yeah. Not a good day. If you don't catch nothing today, say fuck. But I didn't put nothing out there if we go catch. We go look for. And why see I get? Yeah, man. Why see I get, you know? But today was a awesome day.
Yeah.
We're there on the right line today, on the beach, so many people, so many Some people say them I go put sit, come back on me and you come to them, oh, I go put it on the YouTube. So I want to know where am I go put on YouTube. I just good virgin, you know, and a Rasta man, you know. I mean, you know, sometimes people don't like Rasta, you know, but they them know about this. So, they must say, wait, it's a lime phone you have. It pick up anywhere still, so good.
So it's funny to meet Devasca though, because I hadn't seen him in 2 years. Ended up hooking us up with some free fish and gave me a breadfruit, and we're gonna hopefully go on some surf missions with him too, because he's got a boat. So definitely a catching day. I can't wait to go back and hang out over there. So
and then now it's somebody part that boat guy looking to the white man and sitting, you're going to sea with me today. So no, so no catching deer for it today.
yeah,
So,
we had a catching day without going in on the boat.
yeah, sure.
Nice. Okay, that was stylish. I gotta say, when I try to do this at home and I don't get it that clean in the top, I'm making a mess.
Mess, man.
You just hack that so easy.
Easy. Water, the water.
Oh, this is for me?
Yeah, man.
Bless up. You know it's my favorite.
Yes, sir. Coconut water.
So good.
Nice, huh?
Pass it back. Dogs like coconut.
Always, brother.
So really simple to make your own coconut milk if you have the time.
Yeah.
One coconut nice and dry, grated, some water,
There's a water in it.
squeeze it out, get rid of the trash.
Yeah, man. I know, brother.
No special equipment other than the grater and some hands.
Yeah, they run that straight out there one bar. Straight rising, you know. Uprising, sir. I've been down after about 2 years now.
Organic.
Yes, sir. No fertilizer, you know. That's why you see it strong, so you know, man. And they might put down enough fertilizer now. This coconut plant, not the lady yard just right there.
Awesome.
Yeah, I just send direct to 2 of them and they just give me 2.
Cool.
The curtain right, my corner there. cursing all thing.
Do not, I repeat, do not drink this Ting.
This thing is very deadly. It's a deadly thing, that. Do not touch it, yeah?
Rough Ting. Time for a look.
Eyes are waiting. Eyes are looking. Eyes are waiting. Eyes are looking. Red lobster. Eyes are waiting. Eyes are looking. This is it. Well, my man there.
Okay. Nice. Look at that color, man. Nice.
Lobster egg dish, man.
So the yellowy stuff in there. Lobster egg. Exotic fancy food.
Sure. Move.
We'll wash it off.
Come guys, come together.
So everything's basically in the tail. These guys don't have very big arms. So it's pretty hard to find lobster the last week. And the lobster season is pretty short, right? Like, do you know what month it is?
No, to when and when the season, but me see them have it on street, and that's special time.
So you devein them too?
Yes, sir.
I mean, you can eat shrimp and lobster without taking that gut out, but makes it extra nice and clean.
Yeah, man.
That's how Mokko rolls. I know you don't like feces of any kind.
No, okay, no.
No fuckery. So when you were diving and stuff, did you catch lobsters too back in the day?
But no trouble then.
You wouldn't bother with them, you were more into shooting fish.
Lobster.
There's the other vein. Gone. Will the dogs chew apart those
How about eat them one night?
shells?
How about eat them one night?